high fiber.
Chris, you better pick that up. Chris is feeding Junior. I'm making a mess.
Oh, shit.
I scared him.
He was fine before when I shoved him in the cage. Hello.
Chris, you're a mess.
You're a mess. I was gonna burp it, and then I just came out of my throat.
Judy, what are you doing? What's Junior eating? Jimmy! Junior has a rubby ducky in his Wawa. Rubby ducky! Babies! Come say hi. Say hi, camera. You're so cute. Ah!